Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So in this video we will discuss what is master page in React.js, why we need to create it. So let's discuss. So whenever we created any particular website, you know that we simple divided our website into three sections mostly. It's your depends on the scenario or client's requirement, but basically simply we divided into three section, right? So first section is called the header. This is the header part. Second one is the body or contained part, and third one is footer part. So you know that in header part we define the mostly nav bar in which we define the different links to navigate on the different pages. And the footer part is also contains the copyright information, some status of the page as well and some links, right? So it depends on the users or client's requirement. Okay. So so in the every pages for like if you define the home page link, about us link, contact us link or dashboard link in every page link if you click the page again next page actually renders on that particular page again you will see the header part, body part and footer part, right? So in every if you click on the about us page, you click on contact us page or you click on dashboard page, in every pages you will see the header part, it means navbar or even the login information, right? And footer part as well, and only the body part actually will be changed according to the link. So about us will contain the information about the website. Contact us will provide the contents in the body to contact with us, right? And dashboard page will contains the profile users information or the details. But only you will see that this particular part has been changing, right? So header and footer part will be fixed. So in React, you know that we created a single page application. What do you mean by the single page application? In single page application, there will be only a single HTML file in which you will render all the React component inside a single ID, right? So that's why it is called a single page application. Every component will load under a single HTML file under that particular ID, whatever you will define in the HTML file. Okay, so in every component you will define the header part and body part and footer part. So these header and footer actually fix, but you have to define the same code again and again on the every page. It means about page you will define the header, navbar, login logic and footer contains and body parts as well. Body part will change on about us, then again contact us, then again on the dashboard. But in all three pages, header part and footer part code and logic will be repeated. So avoid this repetition of the code, right? To avoid your efforts, right? So we will have to use the master page or we have to create a common layout page in which we will create a common page. In common page, we will define the header part and footer part. We will not define the body part or content part that actually will be changed, right? So whatever child page will use that particular common page. That's a responsibility to define the body or content part. That page automatically inherit the particular header part or footer part from that component, right? So that may will be make easier to to reduce or overcome repetition of your code and repetition of your efforts as well, and it reduces your development time as well. So now we will see the demo, right? So here, for your comforts, or if you want to code as well, so I have created a GitHub repository in which I have uploaded all the demo in the previous video, whatever we did. So every video demo actually I have pushed here, so you can saw the code whichever topic you want, right? If any particular code you want and that is not here, you can comment me on my video. I will surely update the code for that particular topic. Okay, so first we will create a project. So git bash here. So we will not use create React app. Why? Because that has been deprecated. Okay, so we can use the Vite or parser package, right? We have already discussed about the React frameworks and packages. With the help of that, we can create a simple React application. We have already discussed it in the previous videos. So if you not watch that particular video, so my suggestion, go and see these videos, and you will get very helpful information. So we will create here uh, React application using the Vite package, right? So here we will give the command npx create hyphen Vite @latest. Okay, so then we will give our application name masterpage hyphen demo. So if we not give any particular template, it will ask which type of application you want to create. So here it asks select a framework, right? Which type of application, which type of framework application you want to create or package. So I want React. So with the help of arrow, you can select the React and press enter. Now, which type of variant of application you want to create, TypeScript or JavaScript? So we will select TypeScript, press enter, right? So it created our application, right? Using the Vite. So we will open this project in VS Code. Okay, so first we will install all the dependencies using the npm install command, because Vite package does not execute npm install at the time of creation of the project, instead of create React app does, right? So that is the difference we already discussed in the previous video as well. If you want to more, please watch that video. So first it will take 2 or 3 minutes. See, so please wait with me, and or you can forward the video and see. So after install, we will run the application. So in the Create React app, we just do the npm start. Now npm install has been done. So using Vite, we have to give npm run dev instead of npm start, right? So here in the localhost with port number, so you can see the application is up and running. So now we will create our application. So first we will create a common component like master page or common layout page, whatever name you want to give. So we will create a common component. So under the common folder, now we will create a component master.tsx. If you want only JavaScript, you have to create your application with the variant of selection of JavaScript and you will give the JSX. So we will create a component with using ES6 syntax, return. So we will use the basic thing, not add any complex code to understand the concept only. Okay, so now here we will define the children. So, oh, sorry. We will display header and children part. So I am ignoring footer part for now. Export default master. Okay, so we will create a home page, home.tsx. Again, we will create a component using ES6 syntax, or we welcome guest, right? So here in the app component, we will remove everything. Okay, here I am just importing home. Why? Because we have not exported here, so that was not available outside this file. So now it will be available. So we have to import it. Okay. So we will see our. So here you can see that the home page executed welcome guest. Now we want to we want to inherit or inherit the contents of master into home page. So what you did, so here you will say that whatever you want component you will pass here. So here what we will do, we will pass any content as a children. So I have imported it. So what I do, simply in the home component, I have imported the master component, and inside the master component, we have defined the welcome guest. So from the app, it will call the home component. Home component will call the master component. So in master component, it will print the header, and inside it, it will pass the elements contains what is welcome guest. It will pass as a parameter under the children, and children will be rendered. So here you can see the first header is display, then the children part display welcome guest. So that is the use of. So you here you have not defined the header part, right? So likewise you can create. So now first in the master page we will create a simple nav bar. Okay, ULLI. Okay. So first we have to define the here we will use the link. So I will explain you why I use the to link instead of link component. Link element means ahref. Okay, about contact. So link will be capital. Okay, because the link is not defined because we have link is present on the another directory. So we have to uh, import install that particular first. So we have to use the React router DOM. So what the React router will do? So if you want to navigate from one page to another, and you want to define the condition on the basis of the path. If means if you say you want to go application means website name slash about, so it will automatically redirect it to the about page. If you want to go on the contact page, so you will say website name slash contact, right? So it will redirect it to that particular page. So here, if you say, if you want to, you will say contact, right? So contact is not there. If you say about, so it will redirect it to the about. If you say only press enter, so it will redirect it to the home page. So the React with the help of React Router library, we can achieve this. We have to define a condition and we have to link the path URL path with respective component for so that we can route our particular component and navigate from one component to another component in a single HTML page, right? So first of all we have to install. So in the new terminal window we will do command npm star react router dom 6. So we are using the React router 6 version. Previously it was the fifth version, but currently the latest version is 6. Now we can import it link, right? From React router DOM. So this small link was the different, right? Okay, so now we can see here again it is not displaying. Okay, why it is not displaying? Because in the under we have to do some changes. We have to define the browser router. Under the browser router, we will give the routes. We have to define uh, all the route condition under the routes, and browser router will contain your navigation history. So if you want to store the navigation history so that browser can store your history data, right, for the navigation. So you can use the browser router. If you not know much more about for the routes or React DOM, please do not worry. In the later video section, I will start the separate video series on the React DOM. So where I will discuss in detail about route. Route, we have to give two properties, right? Path and again, so you can see that the browser routes and route actually present on React Router DOM. So we can, so path will be home slash. So whatever will element will be combined with home component. Okay, then again we have to define next route. We have to register that if anyone says slash about, so which component or element will be rendered about. So about not there right now. We have to create that component path slash contact, then element equal to, okay. So now we will create a component about dot tsx. So likewise, we can copy it, paste it, and here we will change the name to about. Here only I will change the content. So here children will act as a body part that we discussed before in the MS Paint for the structure of the website. Then again we will create one more page contact.tsx. Again we will change the name about to contact. Right, in the app page here for the about we will register the about page. So here we then quick fix. So here now you can see. So now you can see here that we are on the home page because we have give by default it will execute the slash, right? So here it is mapped to the home page, and you can see here the nav link is display home about and contact, and here the header part contain welcome guest displaying. If we click on the about us page, you can see uh, the route actually change slash about, and you can see the header part is also present and only change its body part, that has been the component part that we are passing in the page as a contained page, so that is changing. If we click on the contact, so route actually changes to slash contact, right? And here header part actually display the same as about page and only change the content part, this one contact us. So you can see that if you click home page, again you will see the welcome guest is displaying, body part is changing. So here you don't have to write this code again and again. So again we can review our code. We actually created a simple master page, or you can say layout page, and here we simply define a nav bar. We can create more attractive in the later session. Just I want to know the concept to you that what is the master page or create a common page, right? So here we have created the header part and this is the body part we defined. If the guys who already work on the .NET part to .NET code. So in .NET, we actually created a master page and child pages, right? So in master pages, we define the particular header part, body part, and the footer part. So in body part, we actually left, leave the changes and only define as a means that will be the contained page, right? Will change page to page, right? So here, like the same way we define the header part and we define as a children to body part, right? So that will be changed. So we are passing the body content as a children. So here, uh, you have to give as a children, right? So any component you can pass it as a children. So here in the home component, we are saying that render the master component, right, and pass this children, right? So here we can pass any particular elements here. Suppose uh, we define here, S3, right? S3 tag. So if you see that S3 heading actually display. So whatever simple component, simple elements or multiple elements, complex code, you can pass here as a children. Okay, so same in about us page, we say that render the master page with the children as about us page contain, right? So any element you can define. So every time whenever you will render is page, it will it will only change the body part and repeat. It will automatically repeat the header part from the master page. If you click the about, it will change the route. If we change from here as well from the browser, you can see that the contact page rendered. If you say the about, the about us page rendered, right? If you remove everything, the home page actually displays. So here in the app.tsx, we define that all the routing scheme under the routes which under the browser router which contains your navigation history in the browser history, right? With using the browser router. So here we actually register your component to the specific part. We say that the home part, if anyone enter only slash or nothing, only enter the website name or the base name of your website, it will redirect it to the home page or render the home page. If anyone enter slash about after the base name of your website, then it will render the about page. If anyone renders slash contact after the website name, it will render the contact page. And in every page, first it will call the master page and it will say that render the mm, element contained, that is the element contained whatever we have enter closing between opening tag and closing tag, that will act as a children, that will pass in the children variable and it will render with your master content, right? So that is the concept of master. So I hope uh, you understand this concept. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that this type of video link you will notified and you will see that informative video. So I promise you to everyone that I will always give every session, every video as a free video. In a future, I will not give you any paid videos. It will be lifetime as a free video, right? So if you like this video, so please share it to your in friend group so that they will also take this informative video. So thank you so much for seeing this video. So thank you so much. So take care. Bye bye.